Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ncert Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 3.2 of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables of grade 10. So second question is on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, they are parallel or they are coincident lines. As I have already explained in the introduction video that depending upon these ratios, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the equations will have unique solution. Unique solution means one common point, that is they are intersecting lines or intersect at a point. Second is, if all the ratios are equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then those pair of equations will have infinite solutions, and infinite solutions means they are coincident line. And the third possibility is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2, then that pair of linear equations will have no solution. No solution means they are parallel lines. Okay, but always remember one thing, that whenever you have to find this a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, right hand side of your equation should be 0. You should shift your constant to the left hand side of the equation. So now let's solve these three parts on the basis of this. See, first of all you should check that right hand side is 0 or not. If not, then you should make it 0. So in our case, everywhere right hand side is already 0. So we can skip that step. So we need to find a1 by a2. So general format of any equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Means a1 is coefficient of x, b1 is coefficient of y and c1 is constant. Similarly, a2 will be coefficient of x, b2 will be coefficient of y and c2 is a constant term. So according to this, if we compare what is a1, this is 5 in this case, b1, in format it is plus, here we have minus, so we will take that minus along with coefficient, and c1 is 8. Okay, similarly a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. So now I should find these ratios, that is a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is minus 4 by 6, if I cancel this is minus 2 by 3. Okay, and c1 by c2 is 8 by 9. So now what is the first case? That we should compare a1 b1 and b1 b2. So a1 by a2 is 5 by 7 and b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 3. So we can see that even a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So our first condition holds. So let me tell you one thing, that always compare a1 by a2 and b1 b2 first. If they are equal, only then you can proceed to second and third case. If it is not equal, your question is finished there, that is it will have unique solution. Second possibility is, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then we should use these things, whether c1 by c2 is also equal to the same ratio or c1 by c2 is not equals to. If equal, then infinite solution. If not equal, then no solution. In our case, we can see that 5 by 7 is not equal to minus 2 by 3. So this will have unique solution. Unique solution means intersect at a point. So we will write, since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, therefore given pair has unique solution. Okay, but they have asked us whether this is intersecting at a point, so we will say yes, these are intersecting lines. I hope this is clear. Why intersecting? Because A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. So let's see the second question. Again, find first the values of A1, A2. This is 9 and 18. Okay. B1, B2. This is 3 and 6. C1 and C2 as 12 and 24. So let's find A1 by A2. This is 9 by 18. That is 1 by 2. Okay. Then B1 by B2. 3 by 6. 1 by 2. Right. So C1 by C2 as 12 over 24. This is also 1 by 2. Here we can see A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 all are equal to 1 by 2. So what is our condition now? Second thing, when all the ratios are equal. So all the ratios equal means infinite solutions. Infinite solutions are only for those lines which are coincident. So we will say since A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, therefore equation will have infinite many solutions. Okay, and equations or the lines are coincident lines. Okay, so this is the second part. Now let's see the third one. So again, find A1, A2. This is 6 and 2. Find B1, B2. This is -3, -1. And C1, C2 as 10 and 9. Okay, so next step is find the ratios. A1 by A2 is 6 by 2. So this is 3. B1 by B2 is -3 over -1. So again 3. And C1 by C2 is 10 by 9. So now first two values are equal. This is 3. This is also 3. But C1 by C2 is not 3. So means our third condition, that is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equals to C1 by C2. So means these lines will have no solution. No solution means parallel lines. So we will write since A1 by E2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, these equations will have no solution. So no solution means parallel lines. So no solution. Therefore, lines are parallel. I hope second question is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please refer to my introduction video in which I have explained this concept in detail. If you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of the same exercise. Thank you.